Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the 3-day sale going on at Dollar General this week. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody that I've already uploaded 4 other videos this week for you all. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I've covered a little bit of everything from Dollar General to Family Dollar to Walgreens. So we have a lot of really good deals, freebies, and glitches. So again, if you missed out on any of those, I will have them all linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, make sure that you stay tuned, because I will have my Walgreens haul video coming up next. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into this 3-day sale. Now, this will begin tomorrow on Thursday, December the 1st, and run through Saturday, December the 3rd. So, you guys keep in mind, if you see anything that you want to pick up, you can always include it in with your 5 off $25 scenarios and save a little bit more. Alright, so first up, we have the ornaments that are normally $3 each. They're going to be on sale, buy one, get one half off. So that means you're going to pay $4.50 for 2 packs of ornaments. Alright, next up, also included in this sale, we have the holiday lights that are normally $8. They're going to be on sale for $5. And Dollar General has also included in this 3-day sale the 6-foot artificial trees. These are normally $20, but they're going to be on sale for just $10 starting on Thursday. Now, also included in this sale, we have the one-piece sleepwear for the entire family. So these are priced at $12.50 all the way up to $15, but they're going to be on sale for just $10 each. Next up, we have a few present ideas. So we have the mini Bluetooth tower speaker, or the Mamba Bluetooth speaker. These are normally $25, but they're going to be on sale for $20. And then we also have the As Seen on TV products. These are normally priced at $5 all the way up to $40 each, and these are going to be buy one, get one half off. Alright, next up, we do have a few food deals that are included in this 3-day sale. We have the 7-Up, A&W, Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, Sunkist, and RC Cola 6-packs. They're going to be on sale 3 for $9, making those $3 each. And then we also have the Clover Valley Vanilla Almond Bark, 24 ounces. These are normally $3.95 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $6, making those $3 each. And then we also have the Clover Valley Semi-Sweet Morsels 12-ounce bags, or the Semi-Sweet Mini Morsels 10-ounce bags. These are normally $2.50 each. They're going to be on sale 2 for $4, making those $2 each. And also included, we have the Clover Valley Sweetened Condensed Milk 14-ounce cans. These are normally $2.35 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $3, making those $1.50 each. Alright, next up, we have the Jell-O No-Bake Strawberry Cheesecake, or the Oreo Desserts. These are normally $3.65 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $6. Alright, next up, we have the 32-ounce Clover Valley Broth or Stocks. These are normally $1.85 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $2.50. And of course, we can't leave out the pets. We have the Because It's Better Chewy Dog Treats 4-ounce bags. These are normally $4.35 each, but they're going to be on sale, buy one, get one half off. Alright, now up next, here is a deal that we've talked about in previous videos. We have the holiday totes. So we do have an instant savings at Dollar General. These are normally priced at $12.50, but if you guys do need storage containers, storage totes, any of that kind of stuff, I would highly suggest that you all wait until after the holiday season, because all of these red and green holiday totes are going to go on clearance, and that is when you can get the best deal. Alright, now moving right along, we do have a couple of household deals. So we have the Brawny 2-count double roll paper towels. These are normally $5 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $8. We're also going to have a deal on the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. This is on the 35 to 50 load bottles. These are priced at $6.35. We should have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4.35. And last but not least, we have the Pennzoil motor oils. Now, these start out at $7.50 each, but during this 3-day sale, they're going to be buy one, get one free, so you're going to pay $7.50 for 2. Alright guys, so there you have it for our 3-day sale at Dollar General this week. Again, this begins tomorrow on Thursday, December the 1st, and runs through Saturday, December the 3rd. And that is going to be it for me for now. But like I said, y'all make sure that you stay tuned, because I have more deals to come, including my Walgreens couponing haul video. So that should be coming up for you all next. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. Also, make sure that you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, go ahead and do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.